You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E, and I am Julie E. And today we are going to play with a new funnel that I got from Tracy Reed. Please go visit her Etsy shop. I'll have the link for it in the description below. So if you want to get one of your own, but I just got it. I'm dying to play with it. I've had it for a week now. I was down for a week, as you know. So yeah, it was just sitting there calling my name going, come play, and I was like, I can't. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to play with this, see what it does. It looked really cool. If you follow Tracy on Facebook at all, you'll see it in action there on her Facebook page also. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I did mix my paints thin because you can see the little holes, the little openings there are kind of tiny. So I didn't want to wait forever for my paints to come out. So I've mixed them kind of thin. What are our paints? I've got a white. This is Chromacryl White. You can get the Chromacryl student acrylic off Amazon. I will have the link for that also in my description. And our consistency is barely a trace. Hopefully that's not too washed out and you can see. But yeah, it barely leaves a mound and then disappears. So almost like what you would have for a cloud pearl pour, but not as watery. So it's kind of like whipped frothy cream in a way. It's a heavy cream consistency. And then what do we have? We have Liquitex Basics Fluid Acrylic in Phthalo Blue. One of my favorite colors, Poppy Red Metallic from Parage Posse Paints. Please go check out Christina Welch's Etsy shop as well. She might still have some of these available in her shop. So yeah, go check out Parage Posse Paints. Like I said, this is Poppy Red Metallic, just beautiful, so yummy. Then we have Liquitex Basics Acrylic Fluid in Turquoise Blue. Whoop. Love this color. Oh, just beautiful. And that one's kind of going in on itself. The fluid acrylics are a little bit thinner. I tried to water down my other soft body acrylics to this consistency, but I didn't want them this thin, and I didn't feel, I'm sorry, I got lazy and I didn't feel like putting gel gloss medium in with them to thicken them up. So, and then last but not least, another Parage Posse paint. This one is Tiger Lily Metallic from Christina Welch at Parage Posse. So yeah, just I was never a fan of orange till I started doing fluid acrylics, and then I just slowly over time just fell in love with it when I saw the magic it can do. And these two together, look at that. Don't they just complement each other so well? So yeah, I'm excited to see how they're gonna do in this funnel. And yeah, I'm gonna clean up my area, get ready to pour in this when we come back, and then I will have it fast forwarded and we'll put some music on. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, please check out the rest of my Thursday train. It is just Janice and Dave's DRH Acrylic-Creations. They are my Thursday train buddies. The playlist and the links for their videos are also down in my description. So go check that out. They are awesome artists as well and wonderful people. And do those wonderful YubiTubi thingies. Do the likey, sharies, subscribees. It does a whole lot of good for all of us. And you won't miss any content. And it's free. Did I tell you it's free? All right. So, okay, let's get started. All right, let's see. I have got 4 colors and a white. This also has some Vallejo Pearl medium in it and a little bit of the Liquitex Fluid in Titanium White in it. So that's what is in here. My pouring medium is Floetrol, the American Floetrol, and some Liquitex pouring medium. That's 50-50, and then some GAC. Why that pouring medium and not the school glue pouring medium today, you ask? Because I am out of school glue pouring medium, and I was not feeling well, and I was not going to mix up some new pouring medium when I already had that one mixed up. So that's what we're going with. There's your explanation. Okay, so I'm going to use my 4 colors in rotation, and then I'm going to add a little bit of white in between, if that makes any sense. We'll see. Are we ready? All right. Haha. Here we go. And I'm just going to kind of lift, pump, and rotate all the way around. Go. And into room temperature water it goes right away to soak and get all the paint out of it. So that's what we're doing. Oh, that is looking cool. Can you see that? How cool is that looking? Oh, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. Oh, yes. That is far out. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, loving this, loving this. A little extra paint on the corners here. It's kind of a flow extender so that it won't roll over on itself too much. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am loving this. All right, let me move these out of the way. Way over here. Hee 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 hee. Ah. That turquoise blue next to that tiger lily. Yum. Gorgeous. Okay. Here we go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. Oop, come on. Get over that. There we go. All right.
Okay, here's the top view. I gotta take a look at this. Look at those clouds form. Is that just so cool? I love it. I love seeing that.
Now, the center was getting a little bit muddy, so I did not push it all the way down to the canvas. I stopped pumping the funnel all the way down to the canvas and just kind of to the top of the paint there towards the end, because it was looking a little mucky, a little muddy. So we'll see when we spin it out if some of those muddy bits pop up. Hopefully not too bad. So, all right, give it a little torchy. Oh, yep, some bubbles coming up. Here we go. Fill yourself in. That was a big bubble. All right. We got some little pinhole bubbles. Yeah, I can see. Wow. Okay. A lot of white coming up through all those little pinhole bubbles. So we're probably going to have a lot of white pearly cells on here. And my torch is running out of fluid. All right. Okay. Let's give it a spinaroo. You ready? I'm ready. Get over the edge. There. There we go. Oh, that's cool. That is cool, cool, cool. Yes. Remember how ugly the sides were? Yeah, now they're all covered. And the paint will stick to it better because it got a little tacky on the edges, so we're good. A little bit more. Really don't want to lose that turquoise. I love that turquoise. How much have I got left on here? Ooh, yeah, it's still really thick. So, I don't want to lose my turquoise. All right, let's tilt it this way a little bit. Don't worry, I've got push pins in on the bottom, so hopefully that will hold it. There we go. Put my weight of my paint in that corner, and hopefully some of it will come off in that corner. Oh, you can see it growing over there. Okay. This is so cool. I'm digging that. I am digging that a lot. I love all the cells. Oh my goodness, the cells are crazy. There's no silicone in this. There's no silicone at all. This is unreal. Oh, yeah, I'm liking that. We kind of like that corner off. Ooh, we'd like that corner off just a little bit more. So I'm going to bring the weight of my paint down over in that corner. So hopefully when I give it another spin, that's where it will all go. There we go. Come on. Down there. Down there. There we go. There we go. Come on. Yeah, so much paint on here. So yeah, this is a 12 by 12 deep dish from Michaels. So yeah, I probably didn't need half of the paint that I used, huh? There we go. Now I'm going to bring it back so I can have more of that turquoise negative space in there, because I'm loving that turquoise. There we go. There we go. Now, yeah, I think we're pretty good. Still a lot of paint, so I'm going to try and bring that corner off a little bit. Okay. Okay, I like that. I'm going to leave that. This is the composition I like so far. Right here, looking at it just like this. I'm digging that. I'm digging that a lot. All right. Now, let's cross our fingers and hope it dries okay.
Don't waste those drips, people. You'll see, because we're going to be using them next week.
Okay, Okay, here it is all dry. It looks beautiful. I kind of like it at this orientation because you get kind of the motion more, and like I really love that. So yeah, I can't wait to explore more with that funnel and see what else I can do with it. Definitely gonna do it on a bigger canvas though, because there was a lot of paint in there. But yeah, I think it's just beautiful. I love, look at that. Let me see if I can zoom you in there. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? I just love so much of this. Right in there. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's my favorite part of the painting. Oop, there we go. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.